Guys, this is surprisingly my most viewed video here in YouTube. What? Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to build a plane using only 50 blocks. This is a challenge for myself. You see, I have 4,021 blocks but only allow myself to use 50 blocks. It should not exceed 3,971 blocks. You can do it! Nice. When I build, of course, I always make it elevated, at least 5 blocks. Alright, delete the other blocks. So change the scale tool into 2. Gotta make this wide, just 2 blocks. Okay, yes, maybe 3 blocks long. I'm going to make this one thin. Okay, something like that. Okay, there you go, another flat block. So I'm going to use 0.2 because I don't want my blocks to be super thin enough. Okay, so this is actually the body of the fighter jet. I'm going to try to build the nose of the jet. Okay, a rotation of 15 only. So I will rotate this like this. 1, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so they are equal. Of course, I'm gonna make these blocks thin again. Okay. Oh, they are not actually equally placed. No. It's actually gonna be they're gonna be unequal. So yes, that's it. I should have put them the same way I put this. Okay. So adjust 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then adjust 1, 2, 3. Oh, hey. This one. Okay. 4. Okay. All right. Yes! I want to extend these blocks, okay? Like this. This one is so 1, okay? And change the scale into 2. And then now I can extend it maybe 3, yeah, 3, only 3, okay? And then the other one, okay? So it should be 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, okay? Make this thin again. Okay. Alright. This one, let's reduce the size of this into 5. Perfect! Okay. Want to extend this. Let's change this to 45. It's easier if I do this. There you go. Just one rotation. That's cool. Yeah. Go back to its original position. So basically, this is just a guide, okay? I can just use 0. This one. Okay. Just reduce the size, okay? Precisely like this. Okay, alright. Cool. And then this one, same pattern, okay. I think we can extend this. Oh, it actually cost, yeah, just 1 block. And then this one too. Alright. Alright, that's cool, alright. So I think I can adjust this now. Okay. It's supposed to be thin. I will reduce this to 0.1. Alright, cool, perfect. Check the match rotation. So just for the guides only. I want a twin engine fighter jet. Alright, look at that. Put some torch. So I'm going to just extend these blocks. Okay, alright. I think I like 0.2. Okay, and then the other one. 0.2, and then we gotta put the torch. Alright, look at that, guys! Look at that! Awesome, right? Okay, I think I should remove the platform. Let's make some rotation. Okay, something like that, and then I'll just reduce its size. Maybe something like this. Okay, alright. Yes, I think this will do. And then extend this. I like it. I like the looks of it now. I can imagine the fighter jet now. Yes, I think 2 will do. Alright, alright. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Wait a minute. This one is causing me problem, okay? Alright. Yes, that's good. That's good actually. Okay, okay. It's gotta be easy now. And then, of course, reduce it to save some blocks. Okay. Alright. Okay, match rotation. Also this one, okay. Okay, just to cover this small hole. Okay. Oh yeah, it's actually easy. Alright, cool, cool, really cool. I'm excited to finish this, guys. I'm really, really excited now. Alright, cool. Two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here too. Alright. Alright. Cool. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Woo. What the? Look at that. They're not actually equal, so it should be extended like that. Okay. Alright. Oh, look at that. Needs to be extended again, like this. Like that. Alright, so this is gonna be just the guide. Okay, okay. Maybe, yes, I'll just put it here so that I can easily see it. Okay, there you go. Alright, alright. Actually, I want my wings to be at the center of this, okay? So how can I put that in the center? Anyway, it's just a guide, okay? So maybe I can put it that way now, okay? So rotation 15. Okay. Alright, maybe I can extend this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 8 blocks. 8 blocks wide. Alright, something like that. And this one, I need you to be extended here. Okay. So remember, guys, this is just a guide, okay? Must be placed here like that. The jet turbine is so big. Okay. Size to 0.8, okay? Alright. Something like this. It's actually big, but it's okay. Okay. Alright, so we need to adjust, make some adjustment again. Of course, we will change the color of this plane later, the problem. Alright, cool. One should be adjusted too.
Okay, look at that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
I can actually delete the guides now. This is just guide, okay? Ah, the mouse, my mouse is having a problem. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I'm actually planning to move it twice. Okay, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, okay. I think I should extend this. Like that? Oh my goodness! Look at that, guys! Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so... Alright, just to put some, I actually cannot build a canopy for this fighter jet now, but... Oh, match rotation. Okay. Go 2, 3, 4. Alright. It's actually 4 blocks spent for just for this area. I already spent 4 blocks. Yeah, yes. I have an idea because I only need 1 blocks for this. Actually, don't need lots of block because you can actually just extend this like that. And of course, extend this like this. Now I can actually cover this now. Alright. Yes, that will do. That will do. Alright. So I can still use 7 more blocks to rotate it more. 1, 2. Yes, that will do. 2. Okay. Just 50. Alright, look at that, guys. So let's change the color. Guys, I think I'll just match the color of this jet turbine itself. This to be color red, okay? Yes, nice. So this will serve like a control panel. Okay, so it's like a computer. Alright, look at that, guys. Woo!
Still have 5 remaining blocks, okay, so...
Blocks. 1, 2. Okay, this one, 1, 2. It's actually too big, but I'm just doing it so that I can clearly see the extension so that I can click it properly, because if it's lower, I might not be able, or I will have a difficulty pressing it because, the jet turbine is too big. So now I only have 1 spare blocks. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to extend this because... Alright, I'll just use 0, it's gonna be easy to see. Alright, yeah! Alright! Let's put some bombs! This is now our cute jet. Alright, so the feet is not visible anymore. Okay, just my aura. Good. Alright, let's try this now. Yeah! Oh, finally it's flying! Yeah! Look at the torch, guys. Look at the torch. It's really, really beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!